Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and please, before we get started, subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you unbelievable product review videos just like this one for Justincase on Style 50-160, PowerStation, and Compressor. This is an unbelievable product. I mean, I have to have one of these things. It's so well made, rubberized footing, rubberized grip, lightweight at 12 pounds, extremely safely built with all of those rubberized components. And what are we going to use this for? Oh, we're going to use it to power just about anything. In fact, we're going to use it to power up the battery on our car should it ever go dead. You know, your battery runs out of charge and you're looking around for somebody, hey, can you come and help me? Can you help me boost my car? You don't have to do that with this one. This sits in your trunk, you can put it in your car, and if you ever lose battery power, no problem. You take the booster cables out, you attach them to the proper terminals on your battery, and boom, you are charging the battery of your car. Everything is solved. How amazing is that? I love it. And, oh, these actually have reverse polarity protection, which means that should you mistakenly put these booster cables on the wrong terminals, which is something that can fry the electronics and the battery in your car, an alarm will go off here and it will not shoot the power out to your battery until you have these cables on the proper terminals. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I absolutely love it. Now, talking about power, there's many other things you can do with regard to power. This actually produces 12 volts. We actually have a built-in LED light here so that if something should go wrong in the dark, we can illuminate our surroundings. And in addition to that, we can punch it one more time and it actually powers a USB power port, which gives us power for our cell phones, for our tablets, for all kinds of different devices. It's fabulous and it will charge them right away. In addition to that, we can charge this up. It will take 12 hours to charge this entirely, and our station has 12 amp hours of power. Isn't that incredible? I absolutely love it. And last but not least, there's also a power source here so that if you put in a cigarette lighter adapter, you can now power and inflate things like rafts, or you could even get a camping fridge going, or a camping fan going, or a spotlight if you wanted. Or if you even had a power inverter, you could plug that right in there, and then now you've got AC power for any device you want. Isn't that magnificent? So if I was to stop now, you'd say, that's amazing, great unit, Alex, but there's more. Hang on. This decal in front here can be printed with full color process, so we can put any logo on there. But when we turn this unit around, you're going to notice that we actually have a compressor as well. Before I show you that, look how simple and how beautiful they've made this. I can actually attach my clips here so that they don't get lost and they're nice and compact. And then I've got this attachment over here to be able to inflate any type of tire. I can inflate big 4x4 tires, car tires, bicycle tires. I can inflate my rafts if I like. All of those kinds of things, boom, with a compressor right here, and it goes up to 260 PSI, which is phenomenal, backed with 12 volts of power behind it so that you can inflate them rapidly. Oh my gosh, have they thought of everything? Yes, I think so. Who's gonna want this gift? Oh my gosh, so many people. We're gonna give this out in lieu of a golf club at a golf tournament. So you're gonna actually have something that will save you in an emergency. In this day and age, that's the kind of gift that I'm looking for, something that I can use at absolutely any time. So it's not limited to a certain demographic like people who own cars or people from car companies. This is a gift for anyone that uses power, and that probably encompasses most of us in North America. So listen, on behalf of Promonoise, thank you very much for tuning in. Love this product from Justincase, the 50-160 PowerStation Compressor Station. Unbelievable gift. Thank you for tuning in, and let's keep making beautiful noise together.